Welcome to our channel where today we'll guide you through solving Barclays US login problems step by step with professional tips to get you back on track now. Welcome to our channel where we understand how frustrating it can be when you're unable to access your Barclays US account. Today, we're going to walk through every step needed to resolve common login issues efficiently and safely first. Start by checking your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection often causes login failures. Make sure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or have a strong mobile data signal next. Verify that you are entering your username and password correctly. Barclays passwords are case-sensitive and require exact input, so double-check for any capitalization errors or accidental spaces. If you're unsure about your password, use the Forgot Password link on the login page. This process will guide you through resetting your password securely via your registered email or phone number. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can also resolve many login problems. Over time, cached data can become outdated or corrupted, interfering with smooth access. Go to your browser settings, locate privacy options, and clear your browsing data for cookies and cache alternatively. Try logging in using a different web browser or device to rule out browser compatibility issues. Another step is to disable any VPN or proxy services currently active, as Barclays may block logins from certain IP addresses to protect your account. If two-factor authentication, 2FA, is enabled on your account, ensure that you have your authentication device handy. Check that you receive and enter the correct verification code promptly, as codes often expire quickly. Should you still face difficulty, consider updating your Barclays mobile app or website browser to the latest version. Outdated software might lead to login errors. Finally, if none of these steps work, reach out directly to Barclays US customer support through their official contact channels. Explain your issue clearly and have your account details ready for verification. Support teams can assist with unlocking accounts or resolving more complex problems. By following these detailed steps, you can typically resolve login issues without delay or risk to your account's security. We hope this guide helps you regain access smoothly and get back to managing your finances with ease.